This is just 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters make 1 meter.
Remember our little song. 10 millimeter makes 1 centimeter, 10 centimeter makes 1 decimeter, 10 decimeter makes 1 meter. 100 centimeters make 1 meter. Are you used to that? 10 millimeter makes 1 centimeter, 10 centimeter makes 1 decimeter, 10 decimeter makes 1 meter, 100 centimeters makes 1 meter. Now, the question says 1.86 meters to what? Centimeter. So the first step is to write it down, an arrow, 1.86 meter to centimeters. 1.86 meters to centimeters. There is a trick we keep ourselves abreast with GSM and SGD. GSM and SGD. GSM means from greater to smaller you multiply, from smaller to greater you divide. From greater to smaller you multiply. GSM.
From smaller to greater value divide. From greater to smaller you multiply.
So you need to know when to multiply and you need to know when to divide. When you're converting from a greater to a smaller, you multiply. When you're converting from a smaller to greater, you divide. What do we mean? Now, look at meter and look at centimeter. From these descriptions I've made, a meter is greater than a centimeter. So where will I put G and where will I put S? I'll put G for the greater one. Of course, this is meter and this is centimeter. So G for meter, because you remember that 100 centimeter makes 1 meter. And then S. Of course, since it starts with G and then you have S, it's going to be M, GSM. So you are going to multiply. Oh yes, from greater to smaller, multiply. GSM. So to change 1.86 meter to centimeter, you multiply. And how? By what are you going to multiply? Because you know that 100 centimeters equals to 1 meter. So 1.86 times 100. Remember, when you are multiplying by multiples of 10, this is 2 zeros here. So you shift the decimal point forward, multiply, forward, divide, backward. Multiply, forward, divide, backward. This is multiply now. So times 100, you multiply. You're going forward. Shift it 1, jump one number, jump the other. So this is where it stops. So your new number is 186. That's 186 centimeters. So you have changed 1.86 meters to centimeters. Now, what if I want to change back from centimeters to meters, just to broaden our knowledge? This is 186 centimeters. I'll write it down. From greater to smaller, you multiply. GSM.
From smaller to greater value divide. From greater to smaller you multiply.
So you need to know when to multiply and you need to know when to divide. When